what? B, nigga. Stunt, nigga. Yeah. Yeah. Cause whether it's 16 bars or 16 behind the bars, I'ma keep it hard for all my dogs. I'm preaching gangster, never ever a prankster. The type of nigga that rob you after finish your bank. Because I hate playing no games, placing your name on tombstones and graveyards. Fuck around and play hard. I spray y'all cause I don't give a damn. It's never personal, it's always business, my man. This is the plan. I'm a nigga, grand and dip, now fuck that shit. I'm a nigga, million flip, a million shit. A nigga got to deal with, that's why I keep the heat ready to pull with. Don't deal with bullshit, cause I got this hard. And getting close to me, dog, is got hard. I'm a survivor, nigga, while with y'all balls and you late niggas, the left and stuff knows the balls. So let's go.
Sing songs about me, sing songs about me. Bring beat, roll beats, bring beat on streets. This here to all y'all niggas, let's go. Raised by CP, raised by CP. Strictly OG, strictly OG. This here Survivor Records.
Holla at your boy.
Another day, another juggle. Trying to put my life together like a puzzle. Contemplating if I wanna hustle. I'm a young black man, I stand strong like a muscle. Fuck the tussle. Niggas catching bullets in the juggler, I mean the head. Leaving white shirts red. Bodies found, stiff and dead. We from the chuck, motherfucker. Niggas known for bloodshed. So fess up, niggas aiming for the chest up. You's a bitch ass nigga, so just fess up.
What's your name?
Elijah.
Elijah? Where you from? Where we at right now?
Kenyatta Shop.
Kenyatta Shop, the Hog Doctor?
Yes, sir.
That's what's up.
I'm Parole.com. Holla at your boy.
Bullets in your rover. Fill your ass with hollows until your life is over. The street is cold, but my heart a little cold.
Let's go. Sing songs about me, sing songs about me. Bring beat, roll beats, bring beat on streets. This here to all y'all niggas, let's go. Raised by CP, raised by CP. Strictly OG, strictly OG. This here Survivor Records, niggas. It's easy to get you general, pasted onto my generals. Ammunition, I'm edgeable, arsenal is incredible. All cases are edible, even if all the federal cases were charges credible. You have no case to let it. I put myself into the position to listen niggas who was spitting, found out who was the real, and found out who really wasn't. Still learning a lot, my little niggas still burning a lot. Some crack ain't think they rap ain't who didn't work for the spot. Wanted like Surgeon General words sent through subliminal means through electrical things like big machines produces you. You used to produce injury, nigga, and me even after the bullshit you put out on CD. Yo, like Malcolm in the middle, a clown, back up a little, my crown. The symbol on my throat I down to die for before the aftermath. I'm the aftermath of Malcolm Little. Diva rappers a bag of Skittles. Kitty asses get rocked with the plus. Your drug guns, we skip them, so I clock and do. Just for this shit right
Tweak the gas tank,
And the
fuel line, and the foot peg,
peg.
and
Supposed to let go of the gas so you keep going.
we're gonna need a trailer. How do you feel about that?
Hey, go ahead, just laugh about it. Laugh it up, baby.
What the fuck I'm gonna do? It's not mine.
That's somebody else's bike, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's a stunt bike.
You might as well take the helmet off because you ain't gonna ride that motherfucker anywhere.